everyone, today we're going to be dipping into the Alyssa Edwards palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're going to be creating this look, so keep on watching to see how I got it. Taking a concealer and NYX eye pencil and milk, I'm going to apply this to the eyes so the colors come out vibrant. In the color Believe, I'm going to be tapping this onto my crease and then blending it afterwards. Going in with Texas Made and applying this with the purple shadow. Now I'm going to go with this shade and I'm just going to apply this in the crease to add a little bit of depth, and then I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to apply some liquid concealer so I can add a pop of yellow, and then take Paris Hilton's liquid shimmer eyeshadow and apply that to my lid. Taking Joy from Profusion, I'm just going to apply that to my lid. Taking the shade right here, I'm just going to apply this to the outer corner of my eyes to give some depth, and then apply some shadow under my eye. Now I'm going to be applying my foundation using matte. Taking Makeup Revolution Contour, I'm just going to be contouring my face. Taking Catnip by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm just going to be applying this to my lips. Now I'm going to add some highlighting and blush, and now we're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see some more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.